In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to call from Zendesk in 2025. Whether you're new to Zendesk or just need a refresher, this guide will help you make calls directly from the Zendesk interface, enhancing your communication efficiency and ensuring you stay connected with your clients seamlessly. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to get yourself logged into your Zendesk account. Head over to your agent dashboard, where you're likely already familiar with tracking your tickets. This is your central hub for managing customer interactions, and it's right here where you'll initiate your calls. Once you're on your dashboard, take a look around for the phone icon. It's usually situated at the top or side menu, easily accessible for when you need to make quick phone connections. Clicking on this phone icon is your gateway to connecting with callers through Zendesk's integrated phone system. This feature is designed to streamline your calling process, keeping everything centralized, which means no hopping between different apps or devices. Next, after clicking on the phone icon, a dial pad should appear on your screen. This is essentially your virtual phone keypad. If you're familiar with how a typical phone works, this step will feel quite intuitive. Just tap on the dial pad option, which should bring up a detailed interface similar to any touchscreen or digital phone pad you might have used before. Now, it's time to input the number you wish to call. You can manually enter the number by clicking on each digit. This is perfect for when you're reaching out to a new client or entering a number that's not saved in your contact list. It's important to double-check each number before you proceed to ensure you're calling the correct person. If you need to include a 0 in the number, simply tap on the 0 on your dial pad. Often overlooked, hitting 0 mistakenly is a common confusion point, so make sure to enter it just like any other digit on the keypad. After you've entered the complete number, look for the call button, which is often represented by a phone receiver icon or an option labeled call. Click on that button to initiate your call. It's as easy as that. Instantly, Zendesk connects you to the other side and your conversation can begin. Remember, using Zendesk's call feature integrates directly with your ticketing system, so it's easier to log interactions and keep track of customer communications, leading to better productivity and a more organized workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to call from Zendesk in 2025. With these instructions, making calls should be a hassle-free experience, letting you focus more on the quality of your customer service rather than the mechanics of making a call. Happy calling, and see you next time.